Okay, ma'am.
Unmute yourself.
Namaskar, all of you. A very warm welcome to all in the virtual coffee morning of Form 4.
Riddhi, wait. First of all, I want Preeti ma'am to say a few words about the coffee morning and the students' hard work. Please, I'm so sorry.
Thank you, Yogita ma'am. It takes immense pleasure in welcoming our headmistress Poonam ma'am, our teachers, students, and our beloved parents. Dear parents, we do cherish your partnership and collaboration in all aspects for our children. TSUS always believes in three-way handshake, which cannot be accomplished without our beloved parents. Sometimes something might seem like bad news, but it could turn out to be a blessing in disguise. Rightly written by Lamni Snicket in his book The Miserable Meal. To prove this statement true, here we are all together in order to make virtual coffee morning of grade 4 a grand success. I request all for your kind cooperation throughout this program. Children, you are requested to turn on your cameras and unmute yourself only when it's required. Without taking much more time, now I request anchors to take control over virtual mic. Over to you, children. Thank you.
Ma'am. So, ma'am, shall we start?
Yes, Beta.
Namaskar, all of you. A very warm welcome to all in the virtual coffee morning of Form 4th. It is my pleasure to welcome you all in this pandemic phase over here. As we all know, due to the ongoing coronavirus, lockdown educational institutions across the country are closed.
Vivan, unmute yourself.
Students are stuck at home with a lot of free time on their hands. By looking at it, schools have begun online classes so that the effect can be managed.
With the abundance of time and online resources available, students can put extra time into some better uses. That is why our school has decided to conduct coffee morning of the respective classes. We would like to request our parents kindly motivate your work, study all the time with them. And of course, this is the perfect timetable for them to set a reading timetable for themselves as well. This gives a productive break from the academics. Now let's start the coffee morning with a kind treatment.
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति।
Thank you, all of you. Let's begin with the Hindi activity. I would like to call Rhythm, Dakshita, Reality. Topic is Kal.
आदरणीय शिक्षकगण महोदय और मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, मेरी ओर से नमस्कार। मैं हूँ कार, जिसका अर्थ होता है समय, जो कि किसी की भी प्रतीक्षा नहीं करता। इसलिए कबीरदास जी ने भी कहा था, कल करे सो आज, पर आज करे सो अब, पल में पल होएगी बहुरी करेगा कब। अर्थात हमें अपना समय कल पर नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए, क्योंकि समय किसी की भी प्रतीक्षा नहीं करता। समय अपनी गति के अनुसार निरंतर चलता है। मेरी पूरी परिभाषा है, क्रिया के जिस रूप से कार्य के होने का पता चले उसे काल कहते हैं। मेरे 3 भेद है, वर्तमान काल, भूतकाल, भविष्य काल। धन्यवाद। मेरे भेदों का शिक्षित वर्त आगे मेरी सहेली आपको देगी।
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम दक्षिता है। मैं हूँ वर्तमान काल। आप सब सोच रहे होंगे वर्तमान काल किसे कहते हैं। मैं आप सबको इस बारे में बताती हूँ। वर्तमान काल को अंग्रेजी में प्रेजेंट टेंस भी कहते हैं। मेरी परिभाषा है, क्रिया के जिस रूप से वर्तमान का बोध होता है उसे वर्तमान काल कहते हैं। जैसे टीवी चल रहा है, मैं सेब खा रही हूँ, मैं पढ़ रही हूँ। इन वाक्यों में वर्तमान समय में किया जा रहा है।
मैं हूँ भूतकाल अर्थात बीता हुआ समय। मेरी परिभाषा है, क्रिया के जिस रूप से कार्य के बीते हुए समय का बोध होता है उन्हें भूतकाल कहते हैं। जैसे मैं कल दिल्ली गई थी, मम्मी ने कल चावल बनाए थे, मैंने कल फुटबॉल खेली थी। इन सब वाक्यों में कार्य के बीते हुए समय किए गए थे। इस प्रकार हम कह सकते हैं बीता हुआ समय भूतकाल कहलाता है। धन्यवाद।
मैं हूँ भविष्यकाल अर्थात आने वाला समय, जो कि हम में से किसी को भी मालूम नहीं होता कि हमारा आने वाला कल क्या है। अर्थात हम ये भी कह सकते हैं कि भविष्यकाल अनिश्चित होता है। पूरी परिभाषा के जिस रूप से काम के आने वाले समय में पूरा होने का बोध हो उसे भविष्यकाल कहते हैं। मेरी जैसे मैं कल दिल्ली जाऊंगी, खाना कुछ ही देर में बन जाएगा। इन सभी वाक्यों में काम आने वाले समय में पूरा होगा। मेरी मुख्यतः पहचान ये है कि जिन वाक्यों के अंत में गा के गी आते हैं उन्हें हम भविष्यकाल कहते हैं। धन्यवाद। Wow, what a performance! Now let us move on to the next activity, science activity. For that, let us welcome Vivan, Daksh, Sabir and Manya. What science?
Ma'am, I am visible and audible.
Yes, Fan, you are visible and audible. Please continue.
Namaskar everyone, I am Vivan. Today I am going to tell you about matter and its properties. I can see a lot of things around me, like table, fan, chair, cupboard, TV, etc. Do you know all these things are made up of matter? Matter is a building force. Can you guess what is the similarity between these things? Yes, all these things occupy some space and have some mass. So anything that occupies space and have mass is called matter. Matter has two main properties. All the matters take up space, they have mass. Now this mass is the amount of substance present within an object. Come, let us do an activity. You can see both balls are made up of matter. This ball is bigger, it occupies more space, more mass. In comparison to this, it has less mass and it occupies less space. Matter has three states: solids, liquid, gases. My friends will tell you about these states.
Namaskar, my name is Daksh. Today I will tell you about the solid state of matter. As you can see, I have some object like this ruler, this geometry box, and this book. Let us find out these properties. This book is a cuboid, this geometry box is a cuboid, this ruler is a rectangular shape. All these have definite mass. All these have definite volume. Or mean space occupied by these objects. We cannot press these objects, therefore we cannot change their shape. It can be changed only by cutting and burning them. That we can conclude the solid has following properties. It has definite shape, mass, volume. Now I request Samar V to explain to another state of matter. Thank you.
Namaskar, ma'am. My name is Kogi, and today I will tell you about liquid state of matter. First of all, I have a glass, bowl, and a bottle. So first of all, I will transfer the water inside the bowl. Then I will transfer inside the bottle. Then I will again transfer inside the glass. So we have concluded that water has fixed volume but not fixed shape. Our next activity is that water flows or not. So first of all, I have a glass, bowl, and a bottle. So first of all, I will transfer the water inside the bowl. So we have concluded that water has fixed volume but not fixed shape and easily flows. Thank you.
Who is the next one, beta? What's happening?
Ma'am Samriddhi.
Ma'am, it will be Mane.
Mane is not there.
Manhattan.
Okay, Anchor, start. If Mane is not there, start. Do not stop.
Excellent performance by all of you. Huge round of applause for everyone.
Anchors, whose turn is this?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I think so it was Rhythm's turn and she was on mute. She was on mute. Just check it
Rhythm.
out.
Music gave us soul to the universe, wind to the mind, light to the imagination, and life to everything.
Oh, you are talking about music performance. So let's call our students for music activity.
Okay, is the screen visible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just let me know if the sound is clear. Okay, sound is clear?
Ma'am, sound? Ma'am, no sound is coming.
How is it possible, beta?
Ma'am, sound is not coming.
मैम आपको शेयर स्क्रीन करके एक बार इंक्लूड ऑडियो दबाना पड़ेगा तब आएगी.
Yes, ma'am. I'm so coming.
I suppose there is beta. Sound include है इसमें.
Ma'am,
Okay.
no sound is coming.
Okay. Is it here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just.
Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Sujlam Sufalam Malayaj Sheetalam Sasashamalam Mataram Vande Mataram Jyotsna Pulkitayaminim Kusumita Drumadalashobhanim Suhashinim Sumadurabhashinim Sukhdam Varadam Mataram Vande Mataram Koti Koti Kantha Kal Kal Ninad Karane Koti 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 Gujari Grit Gar Karwale Milan Namaye Tobale Bahubal Dharanim Namami Taranim Vipul Varanim Mataram Vande Mataram. Thank you.
Lovely performance by all of you. Now let us move on to the next performance. Next math activity. Topic is fraction.
My name is Saila reading class. My topic name is fraction. Fraction represent equal part of a whole. Fraction or a whole. When we divide a whole into equal parts, each part is a fraction of the whole. Example 1/2 is a fraction. Now I will show you some examples. This green strip is divided in strip not divided into complete or a whole. Now in second strip, pink strip is divided into two parts. Each part is represent 1/2. Third is red. Red strip is divided into each four parts. Each part is represented 1/4. Thank you.
Namaskar everyone. My name is Arjun. I am a student of 4th class. Today I will explain about fraction. There are two types of fraction. Improper fraction, proper fraction. Proper fraction. In which numerator is less than denominator is called proper fraction. About example 1/4, 2/3. And my improper fraction A fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator is called improper fraction. About example, 7 by 5, 4 by 3rd. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, my name is Kashmi. Today I am going to tell you like fractions. Like fractions are fractions with the same denominator. Examples 2 by 4, 1 by 4 and 3 by 4. Square and circle divided into 4 parts. The colored part are 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. These are like fractions. Thank you everyone.
Everyone, my name is Anna. Today I will explain about unlike fraction. What is unlike fraction? Yeah. When the denominator are different, is called unlike fraction. Like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, and 1 by 4. When the denominator like 1 by 2, 1 by 3, and 1 by 4. One part is called 1 by 2, and the thank you.
Lovely performance by all. Clap for them. Thank you all of you for this wonderful performance. Now let's call up to students for English activity 4. Before that, I want to quote something. Grammar is a piano I play by ear. Let's understand about tenses. Ma'am, I am visible and audible.
Yes, Rhythm, you are visible and audible.
Okay, ma'am. Now start.
Yeah, sure.
Namaskar, all of you. I read with all my friends. Varansh, Manshi, Preksha are going to speak on topic tenses. The past is then, the present is now, the future is later. I walked my dog. I am walking my dog. I will walk my dog to the shop. Hi, all of you. Do tenses. Make you tenses. Now, not to worry because I am here. Present continuous tense. First of all, I will tell you my use. I am used to show an action that is going to take a place in near future. And now I am going to tell about my rule. Subject plus is MR plus verb की first form plus ing plus object. The things you must remember are we always use M with singular noun like he, she, it, or any name. We use the plural noun like you, we, they. We use are.
Ma'am, I am audible and visible to you.
Ma'am, can I leave?
Ma'am, I am audible and visible to you.
Yes,
Preksha,
Preksha.
go.
Yes, beta, yes.
The past is then, the present is now, the future is later. I jumped so high,
I'm jumping so high. I will jump so high on trampoline. Here, I am the sister of present continuous tense. I am going to ask you few questions on present continuous tense. Let's start. The first question is I Shimla in bracket go.
Going.
Going. This is the correct answer. Clap for This is the correct answer. Clap for her. The second question is we are dash at the party in bracket joy.
Enjoying.
Enjoying. Clap for him. The third question is Neha dash a for her friend in bracket make.
Making.
This is the correct answer. Clap for her. Fourth question is they are dash a lot these days in bracket
Playing.
Eating.
This is the correct answer. Clap for him. Mohit and Rohit dash in a park in bracket
Playing.
Playing.
This is the correct answer. Clap for her. I hope you all understood about present continuous tense. Thank you all.
Namaskar everyone. My name is Goransh. Oh, my topic is past continuous.
Yes, wait, Guransh. Yogita ma'am, Mansi is joining. Ma'am, please see. Actually, उसका wait in a lobby उसको show हो रहा है.
Ma'am, teachers are presenter. If at the lobby, you can make her join. Please allow her क्योंकि मुझे दिख नहीं रहा है यहाँ पर कि मानसी
I
lobby
don't know, ma'am. How can I? Because she called me and said, ma'am, continuously I can see wait in a lobby showing to me.
Okay, I have called her. Might be that helps. क्योंकि मुझे lobby में यहाँ कोई नहीं दिख रहा है अभी.
Okay then. Okay, Goransh, you continue.
Namaskar all. My name is Goransh. My topic is past continuous tense. I read in fourth class. The past is done. The present is now. The future is later. I wore my coat. I am wearing my coat. I will wear my coat because it's freezing. Hey everyone, I am the brother of the past continuous tense. So I am going to ask you few questions for the past past continuous tense. Let's get started. My first question is you dash stud at 3 o'clock in bracket study.
Studying.
Studying.
Yes, the correct answer is you were studying at 3 o'clock. My second question is he dash an orange in bracket eat.
Was
Yes, the correct answer is he was eating an orange.
My third question is the boy dash the picture in bracket paint.
Was painting.
No, that time the boys were painting the picture. My fourth question is Ayush dash his homework in bracket do.
Was doing.
Ayush was doing his homework. My fifth question is they dash hard in bracket work.
Were working.
They were working hard. Yeah, I hope you all must have understood about past continuous tense. Thank you, everyone.
Riya, mute yourself.
Lovely by all of you. Clap for them.
Now let us learn about India's natural wealth of India. Oh, you're talking about TESS activity?
ये let's call student Lavisha, Adya, Samriddhi for SST activity.
Namaskar all of you, I'm Lavisha. Here I'm going to tell you a little about the natural wealth of India. That is most underrated, soil. Now I will tell you, soil is the uppermost layer of the earth crust and we grow plants in it. Soil in India is found in different colors and textures such as clay soil, black soil, loamy soil, yellow soil, red soil, yellow soil and red soil. Now I will tell you how soil formed. Real soil is formed by the weathering of rocks. Rocks by the action of wind, water and sunlight gets wet and dried up frequently and become perfect to break down into pieces. And that forms the soil. Now my friend Adya will tell you about the trees and forests. Thank you.
I am grade 4. Today I am going to tell you all about the finest wealth of India, our forests and trees. Well, India is a subtropical country and hence a type of trees are found here. Tropical trees that never shed their leaves are found in the Ghats. Arid forests of Rajasthan are capable of living a long time without much water. Our trees provide us with a lot of things. Trees and grow more of them. Thank you everyone and keep growing plants. Now my friend Samriddhi will tell you about different animals of our country.
Ma'am, are my crop visible to you?
Yes, Smriddhi, it is visible.
Okay, ma'am. Namaskar all of you. I am Samriddhi and today I will make you all aware of the diverse living organisms found in our country. Do you know that India is the country now where lions and tigers are found in their natural habitat and in their wilderness? The Royal Bengal tiger, the national animal of ours, is found in Sundarban Delta, world's largest delta. Over 100 of species of rice, wheat, mango, cereals,
and what not. Everything is available in our country if you wish to find. Even after all this, we are all aware of the animals' cruelty that can be suspected nowadays. Organizations like PETA are working for it to make our world a better place for everyone to live in it. Thank you and keep saving livings.
Them.
The next performance, dance performance. For that, I just want to say, don't let people discourage you. Just fluff out your tutu and dance away.
Let's welcome our dancers with a huge round of applause. Ma'am, screen is visible.
Ma'am, nothing is visible. Ma'am, screen is not visible.
Dance screen is visible, but dance is not visible.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Screen is visible.
Wait,
but
wait.
dance-
Children, what is you?
Children, wait.
Ma'am, if the screen is visible, then what is visible to you, if not dance?
Yogita ma'am, please play video.
Okay, ma'am, let me just again play this.
Ma'am, it is visible. Ma'am, but voice is not coming. Audible नहीं है मैम, बस दिख रहा है.
बच्चे एक मिनट रुको. It was working. Just wait for a second. Okay, here we go.
We enjoy a lot. It cheered up our mood. Huge rounds of applause for all of them. Thank you, all of you, for this wonderful performance.
All the performances were extremely wonderful. We are delighted to see our students are really doing well while sitting at home.
Being locked at home is having a lot of everything. It is their own different ways. This call for students to take extra care for their mental health. They should spend time with their families and friends.
Vivan, you are mute.
The best way for them to stay in touch with their friends is through virtual medium like video calling. It is important that they keep their morale high like in difficult times like these.
आज लास्ट
Please put yourself. Rhythm, unmute yourself.
Yes. Being locked at home is having a lot of extra one in their own different ways. This call for students to take extra care for their mental health. They should spend time with their families and friends.
Okay, here I would like to call our headmistress to say some few words for the students' performance and to boost them their confidence.
Ma'am, school song is left.
I know, Smriti. Just wait.
हम टाइम ओवर हो गया और लीजा मैम की क्लास अभी 10 o'clock.
Poona ma'am.
Namaskar everyone. I welcome you all on the occasion of the virtual coffee morning of the Sri Ram Universal School, an organization that needs no introduction. Coffee morning is a unique way to display the knowledge and understanding of the content in various subjects by the students. It is a platform where parents and facilitators are the audience. The event is a great opportunity for the students to get an insight into the learning process of their children. All the students made their best efforts to give wonderful performance under the guidance of their teachers and of course parents. I am overwhelmed to see the students performing so confidently, and I thank all the parents to be a part of this warm morning. Children were really excited. I could see the excitement shown by the students to give their best during this time. Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I may remember. Involve me and I learn. This is rightly said by Benjamin Franklin that when a child is directly involved in the learning process, he or she is able to give the best. So once again, I thank you all for being a part of this virtual coffee morning as learning never stops. Our students have proved it through their online classes and their active participation in this show. Thank you all the parents who spared time for the event and the teachers in fact who practiced the children to make the event successful, and of course all the parents who were active during their whole practice time. So take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you once again. Over to you, Samriddhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Smriti, wait. Before our school song, I would like to call the parents and want them to say a few words on their words practices. and their words hard work. Parents, if you want to share some reviews, please.
Ma'am, wait. Ma'am, my mother is coming in a minute.
Sure, Smridhi. Preeti ma'am, would you like to add something?
First of all, I would like to thank all our children. A big round of applause for you, everyone. You put up a very nice show today, and it was looking like how much you practiced, and you have given your 100% to the show. Very well done, everyone. Congratulations to you all, including teachers also. So, teachers, it was your great work, which we can see over here. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
very much.
मेरे को स्कूल सॉन्ग बचा है.
Smridhi, your mom was saying something. School song will be last. School song last.
Battery 21%, battery is 21. Love.
Smridhi,
Yes, ma'am.
your mama was saying something.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so let me congratulate all of you. Every one of you has done a really good work, and being locked at home is a have a serious impact on your mental health. And since you all look really happy, it means you have a great capability to tackle with the situations. So, God bless you. Be happy. Ravisha, please continue your anchoring.
We are come to the end of this coffee morning. Let us end our morning with a school song.
आंखों में सफलता की सपने सुहाने, दिल में सच्चे इरादे ठाने, आँखों में सफलता के सपने सुहाने, दिल में सच्ची इरादे ठाने, आदर्शों की संयम और मानवता का मिलकर करे विकास, श्रेष्ठता को पाना है अब तो यही हमारा तलवास, में सफल सफलता के सपने सुहाने, सच्चे इरादे सत्य में मिला हमें प्रचुर परंपरा, गर्व से कर लेते हैं ये दुनिया को संभाल, धैर्य और निश्चय से हम लक्ष्य की ओर बढ़ते जाएं, सक्षम होकर अपनी प्रभा को विश्व भर में फैलाए, आँखों में सफलता के सपने सुहाने, दिल में सच्ची इरादे ठाने, आँखों में सफलता के सपने सुहाने, दिल में सच्चे इरादे ठाने, विद्या ददाति विनयम्, विद्या ददाति विनयम्, विद्यालय श्री राम, विद्यालय श्री राम, आँखों में सफलता की सपने सुहाने, दिल में सच्ची इरादे ठाने, आँखों में सफलता की सपने सुहाने, दिल में सच्ची इरादे ठाने।
Thank you all for becoming the part of this beautiful morning. This is not an end, but a beautiful beginning. Thank you so much.
Yogita ma'am, we are good to wind up the session.
Yes, ma'am. So everyone, thank you very much for your appearance here. Thank you teachers to support the students. Thank you very much every parent that they work on their words. Thank you so much for being here. Let us just wind up the session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. So, ma'am, shall we leave?
Yes, you may.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.